Hey there. In this video, we're going to be adding VORTEX Riffles to our power sluice box, and seeing if we get any gold in the end. So, without further ado, let's get outside and start moving some dirt. In the description, I'll add a link to the original author, as well as the modified version that I adapted to snap over the end of our powered sluice box. Now that we got it snapped on and the water flowing, all that's left to do is to start moving some dirt. As the name implies, our vortex riffles create vortices by swirling the water, which as we can see is pushing the lighter sands up and out of the sluice, while hopefully the heavier particles like gold sinks into the riffles. In particular, this setup should be good for finer flower gold, which is what we are after. And by placing it at the end of the sluice box, my hope is that it'll trap any gold that wasn't initially caught upstream. The only major flaw I see with this design is if your classification, the size of the sand you let in, is too coarse, kind of like mine, the large rocks can settle their way into the vortices, clogging up the riffles. But that won't stop us from cleaning it out and seeing if we were able to catch anything in our test. It appears that the VORTEX Riffles did do its job, as evidenced by the heavier black sands being captured, even though there are only a few tiny specks of actual gold I can see. I suspect that most of the gold was captured upstream, but we can clean out the mat to take a look. And as we can see, it certainly looks like most of the color was captured upstream of the vortex matting. I'm gonna suck everything up into my bottle, and then I'll cut to a final clean out back at home. But before that, I'll probably run some more dirt through since the batteries are still good after the short test. And as we expected, it's all really tiny flower gold, but we can still definitely see some color at the top of the pan. And with that said, if you'll excuse me, I got some tiny flakes I gotta go suck up. Thank you for watching.